You won't believe it. This is what these celebrities actually sound like.
I'm Groot. I'm Groot.
As your closest partner in trade, I think it's only fitting that I offer you your first dance as queen.
I love you, Dad, but we don't even know if the kid's gonna be a vampire. I'd be thrilled if the baby's human-y just like John.
Surprise! You fell for the old sick Joker guy, because now there's a teeny little bit of me in you too.
I know the smell and taste of dwarf. No one better. Sordid scheme.